Renee Starms, and I want to know, when you are marketing, who are you talking to? Do you know who you're talking to? You know, that's one of the biggest things that separates the professionals from the amateurs in marketing. You have to really know your audience. So before you actually put any information out there, I would like for you to do your research and find out what the issues are, what the problems are of your particular audience, so that you can provide the solution to a specific type of person. Know your audience, and knowing your audience means knowing your avatar, which, you know, Avatar is not like the movie that was out a few years ago, but Avatar is breaking down and creating that one particular person that is within that audience that you want to reach out to, and, like, you know, brainstorm, put a page together of everything you can think of that will relate to that person. Their age, their demographic, where they grew up, their education, the amount of money they make, everything that you can think of that would relate to that particular avatar is very important, because when you begin creating content and blogging, you want to speak specifically to that person. And when you do that, that's when you will see results of specific type of people coming in to your business and asking you questions. So you want to really dig deep and find out who that avatar is, so that you can provide solutions to whatever it is they have, you know, that they're seeking out information for, and whatever product or service that you're able to provide. When you know who you're talking to, then you will be able to express the benefits in a much clearer way. Well, I hope that helps, and go ahead and click the link for more information. I have a whole system together that that you can delve in and get started with, to let you just learn how to market properly online from A to Z. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you. Now take care. Bye-bye.